In a world where leadership is constantly evolving, finding wisdom and guidance can be a daunting task. However, for those looking to inspire and empower others through their leadership sermons, delving into the depths of biblical wisdom can provide an endless source of inspiration. By crafting a sermon with key scriptures, leaders can unlock the power of biblical teachings to make a lasting impact on their followers. Join us as we explore the transformative potential of biblical wisdom in leadership sermons. Unlocking the power, delving into biblical wisdom for leadership sermons. When it comes to crafting a compelling leadership sermon, unlocking the power of biblical wisdom is crucial. The Bible is replete with stories of great leaders who faced adversity, made tough decisions, and ultimately left a lasting impact on those under their guidance. By delving into these stories, leaders can find inspiration, guidance, and practical wisdom that can be applied to their own leadership journey. One key scripture that leaders can explore is the story of David and Goliath. This iconic tale highlights the importance of faith, courage, and perseverance in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. By drawing upon this scripture, leaders can inspire their followers to confront their own giants, conquer their fears, and embrace the belief that they too can achieve greatness. Another powerful biblical scripture for crafting a leadership sermon is the story of Moses leading the Israelites out of Egypt. This narrative showcases the qualities of a transformative leader: resilience, vision, and the ability to navigate challenging situations. By examining Moses' journey, leaders can encourage their followers to persevere in the face of adversity, lead with clarity and purpose, and help them see the potential for a brighter future. Crafting a lasting impact. Navigating key scriptures to inspire effective leadership. Crafting a leadership sermon that leaves a lasting impact requires careful navigation through key scriptures. One such scripture that can inspire effective leadership is the book of Proverbs. This wisdom literature offers practical advice on various aspects of leadership, including the importance of humility, integrity, and wise decision-making. By incorporating Proverbs into their sermons, leaders can provide their followers with practical tools and principles that can guide them in their own leadership roles. Additionally, exploring the teachings of Jesus can provide leaders with invaluable insights into servant leadership. Jesus' example of humility, compassion, and selflessness serves as a powerful model for leaders who desire to make a positive impact on their followers. By delving into the Gospels, leaders can inspire their congregation to lead with love, empathy, and a genuine desire to serve others. In conclusion, biblical wisdom holds immense potential for crafting leadership sermons that inspire and empower. By unlocking the power of key scriptures, leaders can find guidance, inspiration, and practical advice that can be applied to their own leadership journey. By delving into the stories of great leaders in the Bible and navigating through scriptures that emphasize humility, integrity, and servant leadership, leaders can make a lasting impact on their followers and foster a culture of growth, empowerment, and positive change. As leaders continue to navigate the complexities of the modern world, tapping into the timeless wisdom of the Bible can provide a solid foundation for effective leadership. By crafting sermons that delve into key scriptures, leaders can inspire their followers to embrace faith, courage, resilience, humility, and servant leadership. Through this exploration of biblical wisdom, leaders have the opportunity to not only transform their own lives, but also to empower their followers to become impactful and compassionate leaders themselves. So, let us embark on this journey of exploring biblical wisdom for leadership sermons and unlock the power to make a lasting impact in our spheres of influence.